She loves to scrapbook, and if it's quite alright, she needs to scrapbook. Day and night, she loves to scrapbook, baby loves to scrapbook. And now that scrapbooker you've all been waiting for. The one, the only, Terry. Who loves you, baby? Rice!
Yay, let's hear it for my MC. Okay, today I am showing you my collection obsession, and I feel like it's the thickest collection obsession I've ever had because I bought a couple of extra pieces of this collection so I could cut out the butterflies, and I don't know if that's all, but then I also bought the add-on of the gingham papers because in my life I feel like I can't have enough gingham. So some of you have probably already seen this, but I'll kind of give a quick look through. This one's called Happy Memories. Oh, this is the Simple Vintage Life in Bloom, and I didn't get it the first time it came out. I had to wait. This one's called Happy Memories. So pretty. This one's called Beautiful Things. And yes, it is. This one's called Dream On. Oh, this would be great for a 70s layout also. With that pattern around the outside. Just makes me think of looking at posters in those hippie shops where I used to go buy earrings. Okay, and so this one's called Dream On. Very, very pretty. I love butterflies. Oh, that's the one I just did. I guess I must have spent way too much time buying earrings in that place. Okay, let me see. Okay, this one is called My Favorite, and that is totally gorgeous. It might be my favorite. Got the typewriter keys on that side. This one's called Make Time, and I grabbed this to match some washi tapes, so I'll show you that in a little bit. Make Time, dots on this side. Now I would never pick that over the other. Celebrate Life. I think I bought two of these too because I love this, and I thought I could even die cut with the color because it's so pretty. And it's got the wreath on this side. So yep, I got two of those. I love the shade of green. So pretty. The wreath is pretty, but I like the other side better. Shine Bright. This was the other one I bought two of because I want to fussy cut them. More typewriter keys. This one is, oh, Shine Bright again. You'd think I have been out to lunch. Or somebody is. My brain is. Okay, this is Tag Elements, of course. And I know I've looked at it, but it's like I just have to look at it again. Isn't that pretty? And there's that green with the butterfly. It's so, so pretty. And there's that one paper that says my favorite. And it could be. So, so pretty. And this is Journal Elements. Now, I like it that they're doing them different. But now it makes me think of trying to like lay pictures on them and use the whole thing like that because I still have a hard time using them. That's the other side. And this is a 3x4 elements. I like the little postage. So cute. And look at that. That's just so pretty. Do they have that in here? I just need more of that. So pretty. I love that color. Oh, and I love the diagonal with all the little torn paper, you know, all these kind of papers in it. And I want to do this just with branding strips. Maybe I'll do that this month. And this one is 2x2 and 4x4 elements. I just love that. Look at that. That flower is just so beautiful. Love this paper. Oh, and look at this too. That's so gorgeous. Have I seen somebody play with this lately? It's such a pretty color. Love it. This is 4x6s. Did we suddenly get more elements? More card elements? That is so pretty. Oh, there I would have had a film strip. Okay, and then this beautiful floral. And this one here is, okay, and here's the stickers. They're so pretty too. Love them. I just love all the flowers in this. This is so pretty. I would like a whole series of just like those kind of flowers. So pretty. Okay, and then I have the ginghams because I could just buy every gingham that I see. Now I am partial to this size over this size. Black, purple, teal, green. Such a pretty shade of green. Bubblegum. Yep, that's definitely bubblegum pink. And daffodil. Oh, and there's my back paper. Okay, and then I got the brads because, you know, I love circular elements, so I love to get the brads. I bought the Rub-Ons because I wanted to try Rub-Ons. So I want to play with these for sure. And I love the foam stickers. Whenever I'm buying something, it's like I want brads and foam stickers because maybe there's an opportunity to use a title out of this because letters and me do not get along. It's like it's just so hard trying to have the I go through so many letters trying to get my title. If I want, I mean, even one word, sometimes you don't have an E, you don't have an A, I mean, you don't have R's or S's. Okay, so then I have the Floral Bits. And they have butterflies in here too. And so I'm just kind of flip them over here so you can get a little look at them. Now these are a little bigger than what I prefer. Okay, but I do like Floral Bits. They're just bigger than bits to me. And these are called the what? These are called Bits and Pieces. These are a little, well, this one's pretty big, but if you journal on it, that's probably just the right size. And look at that butterfly cascade. I love it. Big camera. And then the typewriter pieces. Some more of the faux postage. Now I kind of like my faux postage better, so I might would like to just cut these out and put it on top of mine. Because these little back part's just a little too big. Okay, I guess I'm not supposed to be complaining. I mean, I still love this. Still love it, love it, love it. Okay, so that's those. And then I pulled out some washi, and I just grabbed this piece because I figured that has every color on it. And so I pulled out this blue, it's kind of a bluish turquoise, so it's real close to this. Actually, the letters look just like it, and the background's a little more muted. I have an orange, and this was from Gingham Garden. I think it's crepe paper. So that looks really good with that orange. I have this purple, and I had bought something off Etsy, and she had put that in there. And then I have a black gingham, because I thought it'd be nice to throw in that little tiny gingham. And then I have this green, and it looks very nice with this. And then I have a pink, and it's just a little darker. Actually, it's very close to this, maybe just a smidgen darker. So I have some washi, so I think I have a lot of stuff with it. So I think that should do it. So I'm excited to get to play with this. I'm gonna try to make some page kits like I did last month because it was so nice having stuff on hand. So I'll probably try to get that done in the next couple days, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, check out the other people that are playing too, because they'll be showing theirs today also. And I will have that list down below. Now I think I told you everything. My collection obsession, if I didn't say that at the beginning. Have a great day. Bye-bye.